Okay, talk.
Hi.
Can you sing a song?
Yeah. Sing the song. I am a child of God, and He has sent me here, has given me, has nursed me.
Can you frown? Frown really sad. Now can you smile really big? Smile huge with your teeth and everything. That's great. Now chomp your teeth. Chomp them big. Open your mouth as big as it will go. And say, ah!
Ah.
Nice. Can you sing your ABCDs?
A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J,
Safer. No.
L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. Now I know my ABC. Next time, won't you sing with me?
Now do a big frown. Can you stick your bottom lip out? Stick your lip out like you're sad. Just your bottom one. This one. Very nice. Let's say goodbye.
Goodbye.